So yan ang shrine ng Divine Mercy was established on the property of Congregation of the Sisters of Our Lady of Mercy until World War II. It was closed to the public because of the nature of the apostolic work carried out by the sisters. Here, thanks to a generous endowment of Prince of Alexander Novomirsky, the House of Mercy was founded for young girl and women who thirsting for moral renewal, desiring desire to change their way of life. So, papasok tayo. So, with the outbreak of war, the gates of the property were open to people in need of support, as well as the pilgrims coming to grave of Sister Faustina and faithful attending solemn services in honor of God of Mercy. The letter was initiated by Father Jose Andres Isje in 1943, and in 1968, Cardinal Carol Wojtyla, which is Pope John Paul II, inscribed the convent chapel into the list of shrine within the Archdiocese of Krakow. A separate decree was issued by Cardinal Franciszek Maciarski in 1992. So, so this is the vicinity of the Divine Mercy Shrine. Look here, here, there. Akyat tayo sa itaas. Pasok tayo sa loob ng church. Ito yung ano dito, view outside the shrine. Look at this. And makikita mo yung ang laki ng bells. Oh. Yan. Oh. So, nandito ako sa taas. Oh. Yan ang view sa baba. So, yan ang view sa baba. Oh. Yan ang view sa loob ng shrine. Beautiful. Then, oh. I need to be quiet here. Ano. So there are too many confession area. This one here on the right side, and there are more on the left side. Yeah, there are more on the left side confession. Both service until half to. Look at this. Look at that. Lord, have mercy on us and the whole world. The blood and water is cast forth from the heart of Jesus. Have mercy for us. I trust in you. The blood and water is cast forth from the heart of Jesus. Have mercy for us. I trust in you. The blood and water is cast forth from the heart of Jesus. Have mercy for us. I trust in you. Holy God, Holy Mighty One, Holy Immortal One, have mercy on us and the whole world. Holy God, Holy Mighty One, Holy Immortal One, have mercy on us and the whole world. Holy God, Holy Mighty One, Holy Immortal One, have mercy on us and the whole world. Amen. Jesus, King of mercy, I trust in you.